So after understanding this mathematical and physical framework, an important question remains. If HAARP is not what conspiracy theories claim, where did all these false and misleading narratives come from? The answer is actually quite simple. HAARP operates in a field unfamiliar to most people, ionospheric physics. It deals with something invisible, intangible, and far removed from everyday human experience. The human mind dislikes uncertainty. When it cannot see or directly feel something, it struggles to understand it and begins to fill the gaps with stories. Another key factor is the technical language used to describe HAARP's experiments, frequencies, wavelengths, ionization, electron density. When these terms are stripped of context, especially when numerical values are presented alone, they can seem far more frightening than they truly are. A word like megawatt, without comparison, automatically evokes the idea of immense power. Here lies the critical breakpoint. Energy is mentioned, but scale is not. Duration is not. Area of effect is not. And conspiracy narratives are born precisely in this gap. The problem is not the information itself, but the absence of context. Another source is the misunderstanding of scientific uncertainty. Science does not say, we control everything. It says we measures of and define limits. But this cautious language is often interpreted in conspiracy narratives as something is being hidden. When scientists say, this effect was observed, that effect was not. It does not satisfy those who seek absolute certainty rather than understanding a process. At the speed of the digital age, and the picture becomes complete. A complex scientific study is reduced to a few sentences on social media. Technical details disappear. Only striking words remain. Over time, these words connect into a narrative that appears internally consistent, but has no scientific foundation. In short, the source of HAARP conspiracy theories is not secret documents or hidden truths, but invisible technical details. Numbers removed from context, the cautious language of science, and the distortion of information in digital spaces. The issue is not a mysterious power, but a misunderstood science. And this misunderstanding has become so loud that it often drowns out reality. What's more, the uncertainty and distrust created by these false narratives cause people to focus on imaginary threats instead of real problems. An earthquake happens. Thousands die under poorly constructed buildings. And suddenly, all attention shifts to HAARP technology. Unsafe buildings disappear from the discussion. Lack of preventative measures disappears. Even the fundamental issue of education disappears. So the real question is, who benefits from this distraction? And who gains from people looking in the wrong direction?